bugs and monsters. What they do know about is going down the shore for the summer. I did. Let me show you a bit of Asbury Park.
Oh, yeah. I hope he hit up that pizza joint we hit up.
No reservations.
DJ Frankie.
Greetings from Asbury Park.
Frankie, that's your mom's like freaking Django Reinhardt record.
Humble origins, the vacation spot before the turn of the last century. Asbury
You gonna buy her another record?
I'm just gonna have to rewatch this part.
Automobiles brought people hungry for a good time, and they got it. This was one state-of-the-art entertainment complex in its day. The arrival of cheap air travel and television changed everything. The Asbury Park that Bruce Springsteen grew up in and I summered at was in slow, shabby decline for so long you thought it would never end. We were wrong. The images of boardwalk food, games of chance, rides, romance, and fortune tellers captured in Springsteen's first album, Greetings from Asbury Park, become a kind of lyric history.